In this video, we'll be learning how to sort data in Excel. By the end of this video, you will understand what sorting is, where we sort data, and how to sort correctly in Excel without breaking the data. Right now, our data is just sitting there in no particular order. Sorting helps us arrange data so that patterns become obvious. Okay, for example, instead of guessing who is youngest or oldest in this data set, Excel can show you instantly. Sorting means rearranging rows based on the values in one column. Okay, Excel moves the entire row, not just one cell. Okay, when you sort, Excel moves the entire row, not just one set. Each patient's information stays together. Sorting does not delete or change data. Think of sorting like arranging people in a queue from youngest to oldest. Let's answer a simple question. Who are the youngest patients in this data set? How do we know the youngest patients? That means we are talking about age, right? So we have to go to the age column. But then, if you look at the age column, there is no particular order. So for us to know the youngest patient, we have to sort this age column from smallest to largest. Okay, so here we have the youngest patient. You can also sort from largest to smallest to know the oldest patient here. But our question is saying, who are the youngest patients? Now, the youngest patient is 18-year-old. He went to the pediatrics clinic. His visit type is new. He's visiting for the first time. The patient is a female and visited the hospital on this day. And this is the patient ID. Okay. Excel has now rearranged the data so the youngest patient appear at the top. Now the question is, did Excel change the ages? No. Did it remove any patients? No. So we have to conclude that Excel only reorganized the rows to make the data easier to understand. So when you want to sort, ensure you always sort using the column drop down. This drop down arrows you see here. Okay. Sorting helps us see answers quickly. It's one of the most powerful tools in data analysis. In fact, there's no way you can do data analysis or let's say correct data cleaning or achieve data integrity without sorting your data. Okay. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to filter data in Excel.